Join me as I take on the challenge of uncovering the secret to making my money grow over time. Let's see if I can actually turn my savings into real wealth. Building wealth over time is a goal that many of us share. We all want to be financially independent, to have the freedom to pursue our passions without worrying about money. But the truth is, most of us don't know where to start. We're not financial experts, and the world of investing can seem overwhelming. But what if I told you that growing your money over time is simpler than you think? That with just a few simple strategies, you can turn your savings into a small fortune? It's not rocket science, and it's definitely not just for the wealthy. Anyone can do it, no matter how much or how little you have to start with. The key is to start thinking about your money in a different way. Instead of just saving for a rainy day, or trying to get rich quick, you need to focus on making your money grow over time. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Most of us have been taught to think that making money grow is only for the super wealthy, or that it requires some kind of special knowledge or skill. But the truth is, anyone can make their money grow over time. You don't need to be a financial genius, and you don't need to have a lot of money to start with. The problem is, most of us don't understand how money grows over time. We don't know how to make our savings work for us, instead of just sitting in a bank account earning minimal interest. And that's what holds us back from achieving our financial goals. We've all heard the saying money makes money, but most of us don't really understand what that means. We think it's just a cliché, something that only applies to the rich. But the truth is, it's a fundamental principle of growing wealth over time. Most of us think that making money grow is all about finding the next hot investment, or trying to time the market just right. But the truth is, that's not how most people get wealthy. The key is to focus on the long game, to think about how your money can grow over years, not just months. The biggest mistake people make when it comes to growing their wealth is thinking short-term. They're trying to make a quick buck, instead of focusing on building sustainable wealth over time. And that's why they often end up losing money, or at best, just breaking even. Another common mistake is trying to do it alone. We think we can figure it out ourselves, without needing any help or guidance. But the truth is, growing wealth over time requires knowledge and expertise. You need to understand how to invest, how to manage risk, and how to make your money work for you. We've all seen those get-rich-quick ads, promising us that we can make millions overnight. But the truth is, they're just scams. There's no shortcut to making money grow over time. It takes patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. And then there's the myth that you need to be a risk taker to make your money grow. That you need to be willing to take big risks and bet the farm on some hot new investment. But the truth is, that's not how most people get wealthy. The key is to take smart risks, to think carefully about your investments and make informed decisions. So, how do you actually make your money grow over time? The first key concept to understand is compound interest. This is the idea that your investments can earn interest on themselves, creating a snowball effect that can help your wealth grow exponentially over time. Another key concept is investing for the long term. This means thinking about how your money can grow over years, not just months. It means being patient and not getting caught up in the ups and downs of the market. It means focusing on the big picture and not getting distracted by short-term volatility. And then there's the importance of starting early. This is one of the most important secrets to making your money grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. And that can make all the difference in the world. For example, let's say you invest just $100 a month, starting at age 25. By the time you're 65, you could have over $100,000, thanks to the power of compound interest. But if you wait until you're 35 to start investing, you'll only have about half that amount. That's the power of starting early. The key is to be consistent, to make investing a habit. It's not about trying to make a lot of money quickly, but about making steady progress over time. And that requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. So, what's the most impactful insight when it comes to making your money grow over time? It's the power of starting early and being consistent. It's not about trying to make a lot of money quickly, but about making steady progress over time. The truth is, most people don't start investing until it's too late. They wait until they're in their 40s or 50s, and then they try to play catch-up. But by then, it's often too late. The key is to start early, and to be consistent. Making your money grow over time is not just about investing, it's about developing good financial habits. It's about being patient, disciplined, and informed. It's about thinking long-term, and making smart decisions. When it comes down to it, making your money grow over time is not rocket science. It's not about being a financial genius or having a lot of money to start with. It's about being consistent, patient, and informed. It's about making smart decisions and avoiding common mistakes. So, to recap, making your money grow over time requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's about starting early and being consistent. It's about thinking long-term and making smart decisions. And most importantly, it's about avoiding common mistakes that can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, please leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice, and check out another video related to smart investing.